And this is Scarmanton N-gauge layout. Superbly detailed and massive N-gauge layout. So we'll take a look. The detail on this is just immense.
Where are you going? I'm going to do it. Right. And there's always plenty of trains running as well. So we'll have a look at some of the rolling stock.
Yeah, but
get down to the right level for NDC.
yeah, no, that's
Just like your Stoodog Bridge, isn't it?
yeah.
Just like your Stoodog Bridge. Exactly. Exactly. It actually, I mean, it looks pretty good from up here, but here. There's MDF-free sports bits detailed with let's give it some relief otherwise it's just not decent.
No, the freebie.
They're all from the same Yeah, you've definitely beefed them up.
Yeah.
I had all my 1980s family holiday races as a kid up in Scarborough, Whitby. We obviously are not as big railway.
So it's not tied down to a case specific, which is give
You said you used to be part of a club, did you? That you could
We're all at Scarborough, and we built it at Scarborough Club, but then as clubs are.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You never had a chance to do your own.
Okay.
That's what I thought. Well, bad enough.
No, we'll stop playing trains.
I presume a lot of them are Kimberley and
Yeah, there's a mixture of scrap build and kit bash.
kit bashing is a good way to keep the ball rolling. Because my engagement is going to end up being the North London line. The trouble in London is when you look at the buildings, they look very different to everywhere else in the area. They're very distinctive. Terraces and terraces that aren't typical to especially in Islington where there is. I haven't really worked out the best way to get buildings done.
Terrace, backs of terrace houses and factories going.
Not factories, there was no factories around here. So what I'm having to do.
I think the train has arrived just in time, right on time.
Just in time.
Don't worry, we won't tell anyone if you go.
He said so, I haven't spotted it.
I just started looking.
There's worse than Gingy racing down there. Was it made up
This isn't going to go well, whoever's on this. Well, that's fine.
2 or 3 of them.
Do you want to run that other one on the floor? You've still got your Delta. I remember you were at TNT and I turned up the Baltic, didn't you? Yeah, you were up there. You bought it when I just happened to turn up and you were there. No, I was just there. I wasn't in the room. You want to go with Delta? But then they look like David.
Oh yeah. I do.
Have you Will it go up down?
Oh, yeah, no, the mixed one, yeah.
Knock it along the foot, something like that. If you want to.
I might get two on, so I wonder if two more than yours.
What are these? What have you got?
The ones at Ready, something like that, yeah. Stop, that's fine.
Corner's losing. Later in
Yeah.
Corner's losing. Later in
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. I think there's some sharp. Unless. No, there can't be any. You need a hand.
that upper wagon's still over there, Jeremy.
Pardon?
That upper wagon's still over there.
Upper.
That, the, whatever you call it.
Oh, yeah, that one. They're expensive ones.
How much other?
20 quid a piece.
1750.
That's about normal to return.
Yeah, they took the coal
Right, yeah.
There's a burn.
Oh, where's me going?
See if you can find two boxes.
Yeah, I think I will.
The man playing Kristen, the man roller skating, lady arguing with her loud.
To the children.